Hey family, welcome back to Southern Eats, where we bring that down-home comfort straight to your kitchen. Today, we're not just making mashed potatoes. We're unlocking the kind of creamy, buttery, soul-satisfying mashed potatoes that Grandma used to make. The ones that make you close your eyes on the first bite and feel like everything's gonna be all right. 'Cause listen, in the South, mashed potatoes are just a side dish. They're comfort. They're tradition. They're the hug you need after a long day. If you've ever made mashed potatoes that turned out gummy, bland, or just meh, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you step by step how to make the perfect Southern-style mashed potatoes. Creamy like velvet, rich with real butter and cream, and we'll throw in optional roasted garlic or cheese to take it to the next level. By the end of this, you'll have a recipe that will become your go-to, the one your family begs for, the one that makes holidays unforgettable. Stick with me, because perfection starts right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe that feeds the soul. Let's get cooking. First things first, the foundation of great mashed potatoes is the potatoes themselves. In the South, we swear by two types: russet potatoes for that light, fluffy texture, or Yukon Golds for a naturally buttery, creamy richness. I like a mix, 50-50, but today we're going with 5 pounds of Yukon Golds. That's about 10 to 12 medium potatoes. Peel them if you want super smooth, or leave some skin on for rustic charm. Pro tip, cut them into even chunks, about 1 to 2 inches. This ensures they cook evenly. No one wants half raw, half mushy potatoes. We're building perfection here. See, just like in life, preparation matters. Cut evenly, cook right, and greatness follows. Now, you've got options for cooking. The classic Southern way, boil them on the stove. Or, if you're short on time like most of us, the Instant Pot method. It's faster, hands-off, and turns out just as amazing. Let's cover both. Traditional way, place your peeled and cut potatoes in a large pot. Cover with cold water, about 1 inch above. Add a generous pinch of salt. That's key, seasons from the inside out. Bring to a boil over high heat. Then, reduce to medium and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Test with a fork. They should be fork tender, falling apart easily. Drain well, and I mean well. Soggy potatoes, watery mash. Let them steam dry for a minute in the colander. Return to the warm pot off the heat. Option number 2, here we go. Instant Pot fans, this is life-changing. Add your cut potatoes to the pot. Pour in 1.5 cups cold water and 1 teaspoon salt. Seal the lid, set to high pressure for 10 minutes. Quick release the pressure carefully. Then drain if there's excess water. There usually isn't much. Boom! Perfectly cooked potatoes in under 30 minutes total, hands-free. No watching the pot. More time for what matters. Either way you choose, you've conquered the cook. Now comes the magic. Here's where ordinary mashed potatoes become legendary. Warm 1 cup of whole milk or heavy cream, or half and half for that Southern richness, with 1 stick, half cup of real butter. Don't microwave cold. Warm it gently on the stove or in the microwave so it melts beautifully. Some Southern cooks add cream cheese or sour cream for tang. I love 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. It makes them ultra silky. Add this warm mixture gradually to your hot potatoes. Now mash. Use a potato masher for chunky rustic style or an electric mixer on low for creamy heaven. Don't overmix, that'll make them gluey. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Start with 1 teaspoon salt, taste and adjust. This is your base, creamy, buttery, perfect Southern comfort. But why stop at perfect when you can make it extraordinary? Option 1, roasted garlic. Take a whole head of garlic, slice off the top, drizzle with oil, wrap in foil, roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Squeeze out those sweet, caramelized cloves and mash them in. It adds depth, warmth, like a hug from the inside. Option 2, cheese. Stir in 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar or a mix of cheeses while hot. Melty, gooey goodness. Or both, roasted garlic and cheese. Trust me, it's next level. These little upgrades, they're what separate good from unforgettable. Just like pushing yourself a little further turns average days into great ones. Finally, toppings. This is where you make it yours. A dollop of sour cream for tang. A handful of mixed shredded cheese. Cheddar, mozzarella, whatever melts your heart. Fresh chopped chives or green onions for that bright pop. Crispy bacon bits if you're feeling extra Southern. Or just a pat of butter melting on top with cracked black pepper. Serve hot. Pile high next to fried chicken, gravy-smothered meatloaf, or holiday ham. Watch faces light up, watch seconds disappear. Family, these mashed potatoes aren't just food. They're memories in the making. They're the side dish that steals the show. The one that says, I care without words. You deserve this kind of perfection in your kitchen. And now, you have the power to make it. Try this recipe tonight. Tag @WatchSouthernEats on YouTube or TikTok when you do. I can't wait to see your creations. If this video helped you level up your cooking game, smash that like button. Share it with someone who needs more comfort in their life. Subscribe for more Southern recipes that feed the body and the soul. Comment below, what's your favorite topping? Sour cream? Cheese? Chives? Thank you for cooking with me today. Keep pushing for greatness in the kitchen and in life. Until next time, stay hungry, stay Southern. God bless.